Oloma. Oloma.
Who goes there?
Hi. Hi, good afternoon. You must be Ifedima.
Yes.
Ah.
Are you like Clara,
But how did you get to know my name? Oh, Oloma told you. I'm sure she has talked about me a lot.
No, not at all. You are one of the people I saw in my vision.
What vision are you talking about?
I see you like this for my vision. This world is a small world. How come we never met?
I am Oloma's friend. She asked me to meet her here.
I don't say you wanna be friends now. As you there inside that vision, and so you there for real life. Nothing changed.
I'm sorry, really, what vision are you talking about?
As you fight for that vision, I say,
hey, babe. Welcome.
What's up now?
I do alright. Welcome. Ifedima, this is Clara. Clara, this is Ifedima, my friend.
I know.
What I told you about.
I know. I know. You've been talking about him. Ifedima, nice to meet you.
hey, Ifedima, I swear you be prophet. You be bad as prophet. See, I need to go see. I need to open church. Waiting. As she be for that vision, and so she be real life. The same hair, everything. No. I be better prophet. Nothing anybody fit tell me. I be bad as prophet where they see. I need to go inside. In fact, I never. My destiny no be this different. My destiny is bigger than this thing. I'm a whole church. Same person.
Bros, I beg now. See, I go balance you 10,000, I beg. 10,500. 50,000.
Shut up! I hope my boys have given you very good treatment. I was told you are good with your mouth.
Don't be offended, sir. Please, all I need now is my life. You can ask them to beat me all over again. But make her come out for here alive.
Were you thinking of your life when you carried your dead body to go and rob my boy?
Don't be offended, sir. Even if I was mad. I never knew. Am I mad? And the craze to go anywhere, anything will concern you.
I know, are you denying it? No, are you telling me to my face that my boy lied concerning what you did?
No, everything when they talk na truth. Please don't be offended. See, I swear, I don't know say na our senior colleague now we go rob. I don't know, thief not the thief now. I don't know say na your man.
Okay, even if you don't know, say that my man. Are we equally saying you are not aware that this is my town?
Everybody know. Who doesn't know you? Even dead body know. The one where that dies is 2 years, no say na you dey run this place. We just want to do franchise, whether we take super come out, only super. So that whether as time goes on, we go hold concerts of senior colleague, criminal, and we, the upcoming.
Shut up, my friend. You still have the mouth to answer Picolo?
No, sorry, sir, I'm mad. I don't die. My man's dey put me.
Shut up!
Sorry, sir.
Let's go. Lock up this guy. I will figure out how to deal with him.
I don't die. I don't die. That's why I don't die.
Get up.
That's why I don't die.
Move.
I beg now. I beg.
Baby, what do you intend to do with that man?
I don't understand why you're asking me what I intend to do with the man. It is my business, not yours.
Baby, I know it's your business.
Hey, what is this? You know how I hate when you start meddling in my business. You know who your man is. Listen, these boys are trying to raise their heads in this town that we have wired. And I'm not going to allow that.
Baby, we all know how powerful you are. And we know how you get when someone insults you. So I'm sure this boy must have gotten the message. He has learned his lessons and he will not try it again.
Of course. He will not try it again because he will not live to try anything at all.
What? Honey, do you intend to kill him?
That is the only way to solve this problem. That is the only way to treat people like him. That is the best warning to give to men in his class who may be warming up to also start insulting their grandfathers and not me. When you turn them off, they are off.
Love of my life. My baby. The most powerful man alive. The strongest of them all. The authority himself.
Clara, you're going to stop.
My handsome. Mr. Handsome.
You are going to stop this, Clara.
My baby.
Of course, you go. Come on, stop.
The
Clara.
one who says a word and it's love.
You know how I get when you start praising me like this? It weakens me. And I don't want to be weakened, please. Stop.
Baby. But you know my aim is not to weaken you. That has never been my aim. Rather, to make you know that there is love somewhere deep inside you, reserved somewhere.
You know, you are the only one who makes me feel that benevolent part of me. You are the only one who can practically get anything at all she wants from me. And no matter how strong I always present myself to be, no matter how difficult I carry myself, there is always this thing you will do, and I feel it. You are just the only one who does that. Please.
Baby, if I have this much power over you, then why don't you show me?
How do you want me to show you? Of course. Tell me how you want me to show you that you mean the world to me. That you are the very breath that I take. How do you want me to show you, and I'm going to show you?
By letting the poor boy go.
No, I will not do that.
Baby, please.
No, I'm sorry, I will not do that.
Let him leave. Please.
Why are you doing this? I mean, why do you care? You don't have anything to do with this guy.
Of course, yes, no. I don't have anything to do with him. I don't even care about him. I don't know who he is. But baby, we are talking about a human being.
Yeah, and you know it yourself.
Baby, he deserves to live. Please.
I don't have any business to do with people like that. Don't tell me about human life. I do not care about human life.
Baby, you care. We are talking about a human being with a beating heart. Not some animal. Not a dog, not a chicken. Please, baby. Please.
Why are you doing this? I don't understand this. Clara, why are you doing this? Why are you making it appear as if you owe this guy something? You know what? Why do you care so much about him?
Oh, baby, you know I don't owe him anything. I don't even care about him. It's not him I care about. It's you. The love of my life. Baby, listen. I want you to have that feeling. To know what it feels like to do good. Because I believe that deep down, behind all this toughness, there is this man inside there, that baby, that man with the soul of a child that is still good. And trust me, baby, when you do this good, there's this sensation that comes with it. And that is what I want you to experience. Please, just do it for you and for me. My love, please.
Leave me now. Which kind of nonsense is that? Don't be human being. If I go talk to her.
Wait now, wait! Set your body the hold, wait! Where you go?
I won't go talk to Picolo. Hello, moon or day down now. We're not going to lose God one of us like that.
No, Fedima, you know we can't allow you leave. Losing Elumu is bad enough, but allow you go into the lion's den,
Vincent, let me be the lion. Let me be the den.
Bros, what do you mean now? What do you mean by that one?
No be all of us talk say we're not going to lose God one of us. So why do I forget Hello, moon over there?
Bros, we no won't forget that. We no forget them. Bros, see, Picolo is too bad for you to go and meet him. I beg. We no want me to do that one. I beg.
I am the son of my father. If he's bad, that means I'm worse.
Yes, Fedima, I agree with you. You might be the son of your father, but I'm very much aware that your father is not as bad as Picolo.
If you must know, I am Picolo's son. Picolo is my father.
Fedima, stop talking. Stop making things the serious
You heard
matter.
me loud and clear. Picolo is my father.
Bros, I know say you know they drink. You dey drink alcohol, you take alcohol. Which one be Picolo na your papa? Even if say na God forbid say you go talk am for your dream. Picolo no fit be your relative, talk more of your father. I beg.
Picolo na my papa. I am Picolo's son.
This is so unbelievable.
You never mentioned it to us. You know say if Elomu no dey here now, he go tell you make you begin dey go.
Hello, Moon knows.
He knows?
As a matter of fact, he was the one that suggested I keep it on code.
Chai! Two of una for don't keep us, una for don't murder us in cool blood. And we're going to see the call on our friends.
He said make I keep our money low. That's the only way we all can be safe here.
But bros, now because of this man make you leave your village, come Asaba. All of a sudden, you don't forget everything about him. You know they possible, and you know make sense. Eh? Hello? Hello? Hey! Hey! Sorry. What happened? You look like a mess.
I don't blame you. I don't blame you at all. I don't blame you. But this one where you talk so, I don't blame you. You should be happy that they decided to give me to you back alive. Else you would have become a widow. You would have become a widow even before the marriage.
Sorry, yo. Okay, you're welcome. What happened? What happened?
At least you should welcome me first now, eh? Which one you are? Tell me where confess. Or do you think I went for a music concert? Or am I a wrestler that is coming back from a wrestling contest? Those people dealt with me. They beat me all through the night. You needed to see the blows that was coming to my body. Thank God I'm Rambo, because any ordinary person wouldn't have stand the blow. Not even one of Rambo's blow could get to them.
We are sorry. Welcome back.
At least this one is manageable.
Okay. Can you not tell us what happened? How did he release you?
I don't know. They just decided to let me go after a serious warning. I will never be seen doing the same job again.
Just like that?
No, it's not just like that. I will call them so that they will come and tell you how the seasonal film happened. Just like that. Your grace, this grace that you have, you are supposed to be the one that would have received this beating. Carry your grace. They mistook you for me.
Even now, your mouth still is strong. Your mouth still is strong.
This is a miracle. This is a miracle because the Picolo way will know. Picolo can never leave anyone. Not even alive.
Yes, it has never been heard of.
I think Picolo is not as bad as we all assume.
Bros, no. Bros, no.
Oga!
What's the meaning of this one?
Rambo. How could you? How could you? I thought we were friends.
No. Yeah, I won't be friends. See, I said this why I don't want to stress myself. I cannot use this my last strength to enter you just now. I have never had a friend in you. You hear me? So not be because of that sorry where you tell me for outside, you call they call elevate, like say you win World Cup. They elevate yourself. You are not even in the category of friends. You don't see why human being they keep animal as friend.
So if Fedima na his son, and you know if he tell us,
People come and see madness. Whose son are you talking about?
Picolo!
You don't dumb, Babi.
See, wait till happen. Be say, it's not say if I don't want to. It's just that what happened. If I wait till just really happen, not be seen as just. The thing just happen one kind way blessed and no fee. It will not be seen as one big deal. You don't understand? I be able to get plan, but the way they happen is called just go escape my occurrence. I beg to. I just waiting. What you want to do? No wait, what you want to do just now? I go take you. The last 20 when I'm gone, I swear, my punch must touch you. Try me. Just try me now. Just try me. Try me now.
You're a big fool.
Come on for there. Side PC waste us. Hey. What did he just say to me now? You should man know now. No, but I told you to keep your mouth shut. Eh? Hey. It's Vincent. Idiot. Friend, kill you there.
No, my daughter. I can never allow you to do such. You swore never to return to that part of the world after the ugly experience you had there. Yeah?
Mama, it's true. But everything changed the moment I allowed him go on that trip. That was the moment everything changed. I just have to go and look for him myself.
You see, that was the same way we pleaded with Ifedima not to go. But he refused. He left. And now where is he? And I'm pleading with you, my daughter, please. Listen to me. Oh,
Mama,
stop crying.
What is my life without my Fedi? I just have to go and look for him myself. If he's alive, I'll see him. If he's dead, I would like to see his corpse. I'm tired of sitting back as if everything is all right.
Hi. Nobody listens to Wando. If you have made up your mind to go, well, there's nothing I can do to stop you. But stop crying.
Mama, I will go. I've made up my mind. I just pray God sees me through.
Don't worry. I pray too. God will go with you. All will be well. All will be well.
You whine me, Abi? Say you whine me. I go tell you, say for this game, I'm the master. Now me the master for this
beg,
game.
master indeed. Play game. You talk too much.
Chill, baby. Chill. Prepare. Practica. To pick up.
Now this one be the thing.
I
beg, play game.
Oh yeah. Jen. Collect another one. Collect it. Don't they waste time. Collect. Hold on. Last card. Game.
How? No.
Say how.
Come. You dey do ojoro. How now? How did you win this game?
I tell you.
Babes, come on, you dey lie, I beg.
Who dey lie? You see any game with me? I no dey lie, babe. Now me tell you.
Okay, fine. Today is your day. Just enjoy.
How many I don't give you?
How many waiting?
How many I don't give you today? How many I don't give you?
I beg my hair word.
I go show you. Don't be me.
Hello, baby.
Baby, I am outside your apartment.
What? Outside? You mean now? Well, baby, you didn't tell me you were coming.
But I am here already.
Okay. I'm coming outside, eh? Wait for me. I'm coming. You see me now?
Hey, what's up? Let's say your man.
I don't know. He doesn't come to my house like that. I mean, he didn't tell me he was coming.
He did good though, say he don't come. Make at least see him.
Babes, not today. You see him, not today. He sounded like he was in a hurry.
You know matter. Make her just peep.
This is not the right way to meet my man, trust me. Don't worry. On a very good day, you meet him the proper way, eh? At the right time, you will.
Okay, no wahala.
Okay. I'm coming.
Oh well, my please.
Okay.
Yeah.
Honey. Baby, what are you doing here?
Am I no longer permitted to come and see my woman anytime I want?
Come on, baby. That's not what I mean. I mean, I know you don't like coming here. That's why I'm asking.
Well, I was just passing by and I decided to come and, see my woman and know how she's faring.
Baby, that's so thoughtful of you. Thank you.
Nice.
Okay, baby, let me see you off now.
You actually look tensed. Is there a problem?
Come on, baby, nothing. I'm perfectly okay. Just that I know you don't like coming to my house. So, I'm sure they're waiting for you. Let me see you off, okay?
You don't think I have to come inside? You don't want me to come inside your apartment?
Okay, fine. You caught me. Baby, my house is a mess. That's why it seems like I'm rushing you to go. I don't want you to see how messy my house is, so you not think your girl is a dirty girl. You know how much you don't like dirt.
No, I can understand. But you are not a dirty girl, of course, I know that.
Thank you.
You are not a dirty girl at all. Okay, if that is the case, I will leave you and I hope to see you later in the evening, right?
Of course, baby.
Good.
Badoski, what's up?
I'm coming.
You never told me you have a guest.
No, baby, she's my friend. I mean, she was in the toilet when you came. I didn't want to bother you with it.
Is it the same friend you have been telling me about?
Of course, yes. I have only one friend.
Well, you have been telling me about her.
Mm-hmm.
And don't you think I have to meet her? I know who she is.
Baby, come on. What do you want to discuss with a girl? I mean, it's girls' affair.
No, I'm not actually planning to discuss anything with her, but for security reasons.
Baby, you
I am supposed to know the person my woman hangs out with all the time.
Baby, you are safe. You know me, I'm very careful. It's not necessary.
Yeah, okay. It is not necessary to you, but it is very necessary to me.
Baby, come on. Do you think it's necessary?
No, you don't say. I have to say. Young woman, how are you? Your friend is not talking. Was she not the one that spoke just now?
Oh yes, baby, she's the one. I mean, she's Oloma, meet my man, my baby.
It cannot be your man.
Yes.
What did you say?
She meant it cannot be that I have a man because I've never discussed you with her, baby. She's actually hearing it for the first time, so she's surprised.
Okay.
Yes, yes. The thing is that she has never mentioned it to me that she has a man like you as a man.
A man like me? What does that mean?
Baby, what she meant to say was that she does not know I have a great man like you as my man.
That's again, yes, that's true. She never mentioned that she has a great man like you.
Yes, baby, that's what she meant.
You actually look tensed. Is there a problem?
No, baby, I'm not. She's just shy. She's a very shy person. You know, she's just meeting you for the first time. I'm sure that's why.
Well, my lady here has actually said a whole lot about you. Yes, a whole lot.
No, she didn't. Clara, me.
And no, actually, I have said a lot of great things about you to my man. Especially the day we met. How nice you were to me. I said it to him. I told him actually.
Oh, that. No problem. Oh. That's good though. That's good. No normal thing, sir. Clara, I have to go now. I got a call from my mother, so let me go and answer her.
Your mother? Oloma, you told me your mother is late.
Late? Yes. I mean my sister. Yes, my sister.
Do you have a sister? Because you've never told me about your sister.
Uche now. Remember Uche.
Well, Oloma, you told me Uche is your friend. Uche is not your sister. Uche is your friend.
Oh, Clara, why you do like this now? You too dey forget things. See, any babe where you and I don't become friends, like for 5, 6, 7 years, automatically she don't be your sister. Na my sister. My sister. Sir, welcome, sir. Thank you very much. Welcome. I'll see you
You know what to be your friend is a clown.
Oh, baby, Oloma. She's so fun to be with. I mean, she's a big clown. She can make you laugh from morning till night.
Very serious clown.
Wait, please don't mind her. Eh? So, why don't you settle in? Let me get you something to drink.
Something like whiskey.
Honey, I don't have whiskey.
That is what I like to drink, you know that?
Okay, no problem. I'll get you.
Good.
I'll go and buy it.
Good. First of all.
Okay, sit down, baby.
I am already.
Okay. But let me get you water first so you cool off. Then I'll go get
I
you.
don't need any water. I need whiskey.
Okay, baby. Let me look for water.
You're not picking the calls. By the way, don't tell me out of fear of Picolo, you left your phone at your friend's place.
I beg. If na joke, may you just stop am. May you just stop am. I don't tell you say she no be my friend. She no be my friend.
Oh, she's no longer your friend because you find out that she's dating Picolo. That's her own choice. Same way you did date me, Rambo. Abi, you don't know what be. Now maybe Rambo for this, you as I dey waka people they hear me. If you say na I be Rambo. Now two strong men, nine they date. So any girl must date any strong man. Picolo na strong man. Me too, Rambo, I be strong man.
So for your mind now, you dey compete with Picolo, abi? So for your mind now, you dey challenge Picolo. You dey raise shoulder, say you and Picolo na the same height na there, abi? See Picolo, see you. You dey rub shoulder with am, abi? No dey tell me bring down my voice, abeg. So where Picolo dey?
Shh, bring down your voice now.
Where Picolo dey, you fit dey there. I dey tell you say that girl dey keep secrets. She dey keep secret from me.
See, I'm not telling you any day say me and Picolo will dey challenge each other. Picolo na Picolo, me I be Rambo.
Oh, you know.
You don't bring down your voice. You dey say she dey keep secret. Which kind of secret she dey keep from you?
If she no dey keep secret, why she no go tell me say the man wey she dey date since, the man wey dey take care of am, say na Picolo? She go dey tell me say, my man he dey mean. My man he dey mean. I go tell her say, don't worry, you go take care of na because say he love you, na him make he dey mean. I no know say the man wey she dey date na Picolo. Oh Oloma, you dey lucky. You dey lucky. I dey lucky. See my body. I don't know say that girl. You know say those two people they plan oh. Now plan they plan so. If no be plan, and she no go tell me say the man wey she dey date na Picolo. Hi. Oh.
It's okay.
That girl. I know say na Bado she be, but today Clara na Badoski she be. Ha.
It's okay. Don't be so sure. Your phone might still be with Clara. You know what that means?
No, I beg. They tell me that thing. Try the number again. Because me, I don't want my phone dey with them. I don't want you to see that girl again. Try am.
No Pico. But see, no go outside, go talk, say me and Picolo dey challenge each other. No go put me for trouble.
No be wetin you talk before.
I don't tell you, I no talk that kind of thing.
See, I knew she was lying to me. She has not even received any call in the last 5 hours. Not even from Uchi. Kai. I was avoiding this. I was trying so hard to avoid this because I know she will behave this way if she finds out that Picolo is my man.
Try and.
Hello?
Yeah, hello? Who is this?
This is Clara. Oloma forgot her phone at my place.
Oh, yes, I actually called to confirm if the phone is with you because she don't know the place where she left it.
Oh, okay, it's here.
Oh, thank you very much. Thank you.
You're welcome.
All right.
Bye-bye.
I will tell you.
I know. Me, I no go. I no go there, go carry that phone. Now you go bring am, abeg. I no fit.
Go where? Eh? No, go where? Have you forgotten what Picolo told me? That I should stay away from his property. You see that girl? She's not just Picolo's property, but his serious private property. Now you dey tell me make I go.
Okay, so Picolo give you that kind of warning. Now you dey here, they challenge and they raise shoulder with Picolo, abi? Beg you now. Hello, I beg you. I no say make you go there, go sleep with am. I say just go there, carry my phone, you come back.
Back to sender. You see this word that come out for your mouth too? Back to sender. See, make I just tell you, not use this phone matter till they disturb my eardrum. They hear what I tell you so. I don't want to die young. Leave am. Wetin don loss.
Wetin I go come do now? Wetin go come do my phone now?
No, I go bring your phone. No. No worry, I go go bring am. I go go bring your phone. No worry. I go run am now. No be your phone wey dey there. I dey come.
Thank you.
Ifedima.
You need tell me say Ifedima dey house since.
Oh, what kind of stupid question is that? Which kind of like question you ask me so? Eh? Where is he supposed to be? Eh? He has always been in the house since our robbery job not they go on again. Now house he always there now.
And you allow me and they talk all this spoil about him, Papa. Eh?
You see, you dey worry yourself. If any man na water not get any meal. I've told you he's not interested in his father. Eh? As he dey here now, so if any man na my shop plug, my shop party. So forget even if you see he hear everything when he comes, so he talk to you. He ignore water not get any. Leave that guy.
You think say you know Ifedima? You think say you know her very well, abi? No wahala, me just go there, collect my phone first, then I go thank her.
Like, I'm surprised. Welcome. What brought you to my house?
Well, I came to get Oloma's phone.
Oh, she sent you to pick it up.
Not really. I've heard her saying that she forgot her phone here. So I volunteered to come get it since I was coming around.
Really? I didn't know you come around here often.
Come around here once in a while.
I didn't know. How come I've not seen you before?
I don't come often. I come once in a while.
It's okay. My bad. I'm sorry. Please sit down. Sit down. Let me get the food, okay? I'm here.
Thank you.
I'm so sorry. I didn't even offer you anything.
No,
Would you
no.
want water, soft drink, anything cold?
I'm fine. Don't bother yourself.
Are you sure? I mean, this is the first time you're coming to my house.
Don't worry. I have to go now.
Oh, sorry, let me see you off. Is anything the matter?
Can I have a word with you?
Sure.
Can I
You
sit?
can. Of course.
Guys, oh, how did we get ourselves into this mess? How did we? Come on, babe. You mean that your friend is Picolo's babe?
You know, say, now I don't understand what's in the play. Now I don't understand everything where they happen. First, Ifedima come with the story of his vision. Then we come from gang. Then from nowhere, I come meet Clara, who I never see before for this area. That day where those Okoko boys, they want to harass him. Then, they come arrest you. They arrest you, beat you. Almost, they don't kill you.
You don't die finish.
Now I don't understand what's in the happen.
And their body remain.
Wait. What are you two trying to say?
Hi.
I know they pretend I say you don't know wetin I dey talk. Even small pikin know wetin I dey talk. Say Ifedima and Clara they work together. They work for Picolo. Now mission they console.
Hey!
Now mission they console. Those two, they work together. Okay, how you won't take explain say Ifedima know everything about us. He don't did this time since before he met us. So you know everything. He know our in and out. I bet he calm down. You know everything. Try.
We are doomed. We don't finish. Come to think of it, we even fell for this guy's tactics, his tricks. He conned us to this his self-acclaimed prophet thing or vision thing, and he made us want.
You both are talking nonsense. Eh? You guys have been spilling out nonsense.
Hey.
Look, I don't know Clara this well, but you can tell us more. But what I know that if you didn't man my own G, that guy is not who you think he is. He's totally innocent. You see my OG?
Vincent,
Call him out.
you dey hear this idiot? You dey hear wetin this guy dey talk? So wetin you dey try tell me now say you no go chase that guy out of this house? Say you no go chase am comot for this house? Na wetin you dey try tell me now? Eh?
Wait. First of all, you call me, na me you dey call idiot. Eh? You dey call me idiot. Now you get the house. The house na your own. Okay, fine. What if this thing you are saying now is not true? No, tell me, what if this thing you are saying now is not true? Don't you think that would be the best time for Picolo and Ifedima to strike? Eh? You see why to the help girls they hard? I blame you. When you come this house before, you get yansh. When I start to date you, yansh there your body. You don't get yansh, now everything don't balance now. How you not go talk to me anyhow? I know waiting come off my body and say bring your yansh come outside. You dey make up now, you dey be like human being now, so body they catch you. For your information, this hair I never pay finish you. In case if they get you for if you pull on, you know.
But I think there is sense in what this guy is trying to say. Because if we pursue Ifedima comot, he go match with Picolo. At that time we don't finish. We don't end like our draw soup. Ha!
Look, it's not as if I am agreeing to what you both are saying, but sometimes I be Rambo. They're not they call me Rambo for this zanga for nothing. Eh? Anything where they on our currency, I don't think past there. Maybe they apply some kind. These are our brain boss. If they short oil, maybe they always they put a jolly at the appointed time. They talk say if you demand go come up for this house, and they forget say like this, I feel just death throw you.
You don't do it. You are mouth.
This is unbelievable. No, it can't be. I mean, you can't be his son.
I am not proud that someone like Picolo is my father. But at the same time, I can't help it. Sorry, I'm talking about your boyfriend in this manner.
Come on, please. It's nothing.
I needed to be 100% sure of what my mother told me. That I know she can never lie with such a friend.
Well, now that you know, what do you intend to do? How do you intend to go about it?
Eluomuno advised that no one should know about this, else I will be lynched.
True. I agree with him. I mean, but to think of it, you came all the way for this. So what do you want to do?
The moment I heard Oloma telling Eluomono, that you are Picolo's girlfriend. I was convinced deep down that you are the right person to help me.
Me? How? What can I possibly do for you? I mean, what makes you think I am not as bad as Picolo?
You're a nice person, Clara. Through your eyes, I can see your heart. You have a golden heart. And trust me, you are in the position to help if you really want to.
Of course, I'll be glad to help you. I like you a lot and...
You do?
Oh, sorry, I meant I like you as a person. And I feel your pain. Just like I would have felt anyone's pain if they were in your shoes. So, I will gladly help you, but the problem is I don't know how.
I will tell you how.
You mean you like my friend?
I do. You know, at the beginning, I was not able to figure out why I would suddenly like her like that. But finally, I was able to figure it out.
So do you mind sharing whatever it is that you figured out? Because I need to know if that threatens my position in your life.
Come on, Clara. There are things you cannot just say because you should know better. Nobody can threaten you in my life. You occupy a position that nobody can ever fit into except you. Very, very powerful position indeed. You know, but there is this part of my history that I never told anyone.
Not even me.
I never mentioned this to anyone. And it has been disturbing me so badly. Disturbing me to the extent that the more I try to forget about it, the more it lingers. And somehow that your friend has something to do with that part of my history that I am trying everything possible not to remember. You know.
Honey, you know you can always talk to me, right?
Yeah.
You can always rely on me.
Of course. Your friend so much, you know, she has her kind of fear, her kind of naiveness, you know. She has a lot of characters that I can actually pin to her.
Honey, who?
A girl. A very beautiful girl, way back, still here in Cable Town. Long time ago when I was very much younger. I wanted to have something to do with her. She refused, telling me that she was a virgin, which I actually figured out. But I told her that I still want to have my way with her. Nobody challenges Picolo. Nobody says no to Picolo. I was young. But even as young as I was that time, I had already set up a very deadly structure in this town that everybody feared. Oh, very deadly structure. So when she said no, I forced myself and I had my way. Oh yes, you know I should always have my way. Then after some time, she came back telling me that she was pregnant. I was young, like I said. I was not ready for anything pregnancy, and I asked her to abort it, and she refused. I pleaded with her to get rid of that pregnancy, and she wasn't listening to anybody, and I sent one of my boys to go and turn her off.
How did it go?
Just the way you wanted, boss. Woman and the unborn baby are dead.
Nice. In her next life, she will never be nonchalant. Instead, she would adhere to instructions. Am I right?
Relax, boss. You have nothing to worry about. No woman will trap you down. And anyone that does that goes down.
I like that sound. I like the voice too. I am the master in the game, right?
I believe you, boss.
I remain the general. Anyone who toys with me, what happens to the person?
Person goes down automatically.
You mean you killed her with the pregnancy?
That is that part of my life that I keep regretting. I regret ever doing that. I don't know. I am feeling that I went too far. I've been praying for forgiveness, but that forgiveness is not ever coming. Feel very bothered and very empty inside me anytime I remember that.
Why does this one bother you? I mean, you've killed so many people. What is the difference?
I didn't just kill the woman. I killed my unborn child. And that has proven to be a very big mistake, because I have reason to believe that woman laid a curse at me as she was being killed by that assassin. And this is because since that time up till now, I have not managed to get any other woman pregnant, despite everything I have done, every medication I have taken, all the specialists I have consulted. I have this feeling that she cursed me, and I am hoping a way that I can get that woman to reverse that curse.
But she's dead.
I know. We can communicate with her spirit anyhow, for her to reverse this curse. It's affecting me so badly. If I can find somebody who will assist me locate at least where the woman came from or where she was buried, we will be able to, make peace with her spirit for her to reverse this curse, because there is a curse.
It's okay, baby. It's okay.
It's
all in the past. It's your past. And what matters right now is your future. The present. Do you see why I always want you to do good? So you will not have regrets like this.
Yeah, thank you.
You're welcome.
Thank you so much.
A story is the same thing with the one Ifedima told me. Does it mean that Ifedima is the baby he assumed to have been killed? And his mother, the woman, think this task will be a lot easier than I think. I was so shocked when he was telling me this story. Like, I'm so convinced he was talking about your mother.
How sure are we? Only God knows how many women he has done such a thing to.
He said the woman placed a curse on him. Because since after that, he has not been able to pregnant any other woman. And that leaves him empty.
Let me even ask. What are you doing with such a man? He is a beast. How did he even convince you? What does he give to you?
Do you think I'm happy being with him?
Then leave him.
It's so easy for you to say. How do I leave a man like that? How? If I leave him, he will kill me. Look, let's not talk about my relationship with Picolo. That is my problem. Let's talk about how to solve your problem. Or you don't want to?
Of course I want.
He's still alive. I know that face and that voice, especially the house voice. Hey God, I do not wish to behold him again. Hey, Ifedima, look at what you're putting me through, eh? Look at what this boy is putting me through. Eh? I don't even know if he's alive. Who knows if that wicked man has murdered him? Hey! Where do I even start from now? Where do I even start looking for this boy?
Really, Ifedima, I don't think this is a good idea. What if he asks to see the woman or ask me how I got the picture? What do I say?
Just tell him exactly what happened between us. Yes. Remember what he told you? That he wishes to see this woman dead or alive. For that reason, he will concur.
I know. See, the thing is, I am scared. If this thing goes sideways, God, I don't want to be in his trouble. I don't want it.
Trust me, nothing will go wrong. All you have to do is to get him to come see me all alone. Make sure he has no weapon on him and that none of his men comes with him. That's it.
Let's assume he comes. Assuming. What is your plan?
Nothing out of the ordinary. Just do this for me, please. Trust me, you will never regret it.
Gosh. I can't believe I am even talking about it. Talk more of thinking of doing it. I mean, I cannot believe I'm about to take a risk like this. Because of you. It's okay. I'll try.
Thank you very much. Thank you very, very much. I will forever appreciate this. See ya. It depends me say you don't suddenly forget all the good things you have been before. Because say you find out she did dirty people. Don't behave like that now.
Why you no go defend her? No, why you no go defend her? After all, now your papa she did.
No, follow me talk nonsense. If I stand up here and I will talk, you go even lose your wig. What do you they talk? Why you get fish brain? You know they think straight.
I beg, no insult me. I take or beg you, no insult me. Oh, you think say we no know? You think say we no know say you and Clara they work together? You think say we no know say you and Clara they work for Picolo? But it will be very bad to pay back kindness with evil.
What is this one I'm talking about?
But me, I don't even understand. Don't be weak. Eh? Even if they won't pay anybody something, I mean, not be my guy. Who be we? No mind Amuna, so you should get fish brain.
Ogabe, shut up. Shut up, tell am the truth. Tell am the truth. You think say we no know say you and Clara join hand, arrest and carry and go give Picolo. You think say we no know?
Really? Is that what you're thinking?
Don't tell you if you're the man, so she did. Naughty day the brain, a cupboard. Cupboard, then just put the
Make I break your heart. Now that Clara where you there they talk rubbish about. That she saved your man. If no be Clara, say she intervene. This your man where they here. For don't die, go 6 feet below.
If you're the man, you sure for what you talk to?
I resemble who they like. See, Clara, based on say she did close with Picolo. Now she intervene, tell Picolo make they leave you. If no be she, if I don't go down. No. So you got to pain me why this one will say she be her friend. But they had the talk say me and Clara they walk. Walk waiting exactly. Make you dey focus. So. Now that babe save your man based on say they did Picolo. You know Picolo normally. That one a no-go area. So that make this the way she dey talk. I don't understand what she dey talk. See, focus. Don't do anyhow. Just focus.
She gets sense. She not. Wait till she sabi apart from knack. You get sense. You don't hear what he
No
talk.
try am. No try am with me. You just corner things. You could just.
If you say don't say when I slap you.
We go die. We go die.
Can I talk to you?
Talk to me about what? Eh? Wait, do you think I'm a new person at this cable point? You know they look face, Abi?
It's not what you think. I'm not who you think I am.
What did they worry this girl? What did they worry you? Wait, make I not cost you. Not let me cost you. Because if I cost you, let me say I'm not finished. I see me say, you know they look face. Eh? Wait, you think I be new person for you, Abi? You don't rob. So they, now woman like me won't rob. For your information, you see this bag. Nothing inside. So I'll be your wrong target this time. If you follow me again, I go swear for you. Swear for your generation, joy. Idiot, useless and jeopardizing girl.
Sorry, ma.
Tifa! Everybody come and see Tiff! She's been following me around.
I'm not a thief.
Stop following me! I'm not following you.
You know anybody called Ifedima? Ifedima?
You know him? Hey! Where is he? Where can I find him?
I asked you a question. Do you know anyone called Ifedima?
Yes, he's my son. In fact, he's the only son I have. I've been searching for him since yesterday arrived. Please, where can I find him, please?
Ma, do you see why I wanted to talk to you? Is there everybody you see you call anything? He showed me your picture. That was why I was able to recognize you.
Yeah, he did?
Yes.
Hey, so my son is alive. Wait, he's alive, right?
Your son is alive.
Please take me to him. Eh?
It's okay. Ma, what are you doing? No, ma. No.
I'm sorry for my actions, okay?
I understand.
I am only acting based on what I know about cable points.
Ma,
please.
I understand. You're just being careful. But sometimes, at least listen.
You're taking me to
I'll
him,
take
right?
you to your son.
Thank you very much. I've been searching. I came and I went to see the way I walk. I walked around the whole place.
Yeah, I was not sure. That was why I wanted to talk to you.
To ask him, why is he not here now? Did you tell him I'm here?
No, I did not. But I told him to come, that it's urgent. Don't worry, he will be here soon. Yes, he will come. I hope you like the food.
It's nice.
Come in.
I'm sorry for that. Mama.
My son, hey.
Mama,
Thank God.
How did you get here?
I came to Asaba to look for you. So she saw me on the road and brought me here.
Thank God for the picture you gave me. I was able to recognize her through it.
Hey, Mama, I've missed you.
I miss you, Mom.
So how is Nina and Chimamanda?
It's fine, no. But Ife, you kept everyone worried, eh? No one knew your whereabouts. So that's why I came. I could not sit back there without knowing how my only son is.
Mama, I'm sorry. It's not easy here in the city. Finding Picolo is another... No, don't worry. She knows everything already. As a matter of fact, she's the one helping me to find Picolo.
How?
She will update you later. She's a wonderful soul.
Mama, don't worry. I will update you later. But for now, you need to finish up your food.
Okay.
Ifedi, should I get you some?
Join me, get me a spoon so that I will join you.
But Mama, now what for you?
You
You just came into us without telling anybody. Nda kulugina, go you man. You're going to go.
Honey, just calm down. Calm down.
I am calm already, but this is just very confusing. Clara, this woman is supposed to have been dead. I gave specific instruction that night, and it was confirmed to me that she died. How did you come across her?
Like I already told you, I met her on the way. See, honey, first thing tomorrow morning, I will take you to her. But you remember what she said. You have to come alone. None of your boys are coming with you.
Listen.
No aunts.
Listen, Clara, I am prepared to do everything, anything at all. I am prepared. As long as I will see her. Do you know how long I have prayed? Asking that I should be forgiven for giving that instruction that night. If I finally meet this person and it turns out to be the same Paulina, oh my goodness, Clara, I will be the happiest man on planet Earth.
Well then, let's pray. Let's pray she's Hello, Ifedima. Yes, he has agreed to come with me tomorrow.
That's good. Tomorrow, right?
Yes, tomorrow. Remember, as planned.
Okay, Clara, till tomorrow.
Okay. Good night.
See, don't make me vex. The hear what I tell you so. Don't just make me vex. The only thing what you go do for me now, where you go sweet me now, if you not just make me vex, because what I go tell you is you hate a jam or you not go like her, you go die very easy. You go and apologize to Ife man. And not just him alone, you also owe Clara an apology.
Why I go do that one?
You say? What did you say?
Why I go apologize now?
You apologize to him and also Clara for preempting what is not real.
I was only defending my man. I don't know. I don't know. Say the babe, she mean well for you now.
They defend your man. Person when no fit pass WAEC, civil defense. And they see your uniform for the hangar now. They defend your man. Listen, you will go and apologize to Ife the man. And if you no do am, that means you won't leave this house. I go let you know say na me get this house if you no go apologize to Ife the man. But it don't dey tweak. Put this thing. You should dey barb your hair, Chris.
My baby, it confuses me still how you are able to bring this woman to your house.
Baby, what were you expecting? This is the best place for me to bring the two of you together. You know, she told me her story and it's the same thing you told me. So I decided to bring you all together. And let's go.
Where is the woman?
She will soon join us.
I don't understand what is going on. You told me the woman is here. And now you are telling me she will soon join us. What is that supposed to mean? I came here because I didn't want to get you angry. I came actually because I want to make you happy.
Honey, please, can you calm down? Please. See, I won't deceive you and I've never done that. Neither will I start now. Just calm down.
I am calm.
Fine. Sit down. Please, once again, what transpired between you and this woman in this photo?
What? Clara, are you mad? What is the meaning of this?
Baby, calm down. Please. See, I'm just trying to be careful here. I don't want to judge matters based on what I am not sure of. Can you just summarize again what really happened? Let me be sure I'm not making a mistake. Please.
Paulina was a virgin at that time. And then I wanted to have carnal knowledge of her and she refused. I used every language, tried everything humanly possible to make her give it to me on her own, and she refused. I forced myself on her and I had my way. Then she came back to me after some time and told me that she became pregnant as a result of what I did. And I gave her a specific instruction to get rid of the pregnancy because I was not prepared for pregnancy at that time. And she refused. Oh, she refused. I had no other option than to turn her off. That's it.
Okay. Good. And thank you very much.
What's going on?
Picolo, it's good to see you again. So you have never changed? Not in character or in looks?
Pauline, I am very sorry. You know, I have not been myself since I gave Bweski that instruction to kill you. But what happened? You survived it?
I guess you can ask him if he's still alive.
Are you okay? Ife, what have you done? What? Ife Dima! What have you done? Are you fine? This boy, so you still have this gun?
Clara, what is this? So you trapped me?
No.
Who is this man?
This one na testing microphone. This one point na for all the stress where you make my money go through.
He's your son. The baby you wanted to kill alongside Paulina.
What?
I hate to admit that. I hate to say that you're the father of my son. But then, I cannot run away from it. Trust me. I never wished for a day like this to come.
It's not possible. This is not possible. This thing here cannot be my son.
Yes. If I go Murai, he to go. As you see me so, I be Omila tested, Sanko tested, Confra tested. I am the monster you created. You made me who I am today because you are a beast. God, now who they run a normal? Who they rob of a normal? You are a beast.
Picolo. Clara, I want to speak with my doctor. Put him on the phone.
Sit down for there. Sit down, the crazy. Azekbro, if you move now, I'm going to light you. Don't move an inch, else I will kill him earlier than planned.
Ifedima, please. Look at him, he's bleeding. He needs a doctor.
Nobody is talking about the wound. way I used to once. I want to speak with my doctor. I want to run a DNA test on this thing that is standing before me.
What?
Now, I'll have to go to the hospital and run the test.
You are going nowhere.
Ifedima.
No one lives here. I'm not a dummy.
Sir, how do I then run the test if I do not take the sample to the laboratory?
I don't care.
Ifedima, you really have to trust me on this. Let this man go. He's not going to do anything funny.
Give me one reason why I should trust a criminal like you.
Ifedima, really, I am so disappointed in you. This was not what you told me. This wasn't what we agreed on.
Sorry to disappoint you, but no one lives here.
So how long are you going to keep us here? Let this man go. He has to go to the hospital and run the test. Allow him.
Philip, see, just allow him to go and run the test. He's not going to do anything stupid. Please. Please, okay, please. Allow him.
And you listen real good. If you do anything funny by involving the police, I swear I will wipe out your entire generation.
Sir, please put down the gun. That is not part of my job description. I will not do such a thing. Please. I will not do such a thing. Thank you.
Should I understand this to mean that you're selfish?
What do you mean? Millicent. Listen, Millicent, you are in my office. So you should be careful, very mindful of the kind of words you use, okay?
I'm sorry, Barrister Leo. But are you going to rely on the money you make from Chief Picolo and fail to rejoice with the people?
Rejoice with which people? Listen, it's only a heartless individual that will rejoice over the misfortune of another. I am not a heartless man, okay?
I beg to disagree. Chief Picolo was a terrorist here in Cable Town.
Say so.
The villagers tried everything they could to get him arrested, but they couldn't. They failed. Now it took the arrival of his son to get him arrested, and everyone is happy.
Listen to me. I'm a lawyer, okay? Let me remind you that as far as I am concerned, Chief Picolo is still innocent. Yes, he's just an accused. Until a court of competent jurisdiction convicts him of any crime, he is innocent before the law. And you people, his enemies, should stop rejoicing. Stop rejoicing. It's not yet time.
Barrister Leo, I'll give you just one advice. Do not say this outside. Else, the people he has been living on their money all this while will have a reason to attack you.
Hey, hold it. Sit down. Sit down.
What is it?
Let me also advise you. Don't go out there and say what you do not know. Don't go out there and say what you do not know. Otherwise, I'm going to come after you with the full weight of the law. You know what I can do. I don't joke with my integrity. I don't joke with my name. Do you hear me?
We shall see to that.
We shall see nothing. We shall see nothing. What is it? Why are people so why are there so many betrayers these days? Eh? Why can't men be trusted anymore? Eh? Now this one came here to be talking. You think I'm the one you come to threaten?
Vincent, this thing is still confusing to me. I mean, who could have believed that Chief Picolo of all people, would concur to a crime he did not commit?
Look at what you are saying. He did that because of his son. Ifedima is Picolo's son. Have you not heard what Clara said? That he confided in her, telling her that ever since he ordered his boys to eliminate Ifedima's mother 29 years ago, he has never been opportune to impregnate another woman.
Are you serious? Huh? Wait, so you mean all this while that Chief Picolo has been carrying all the best girls in this town? So even those things he pours inside of them are nonsense?
I didn't remember telling you that.
That's what you just said now. You were trying to explain we are on the same track.
See, Elumuna, can we leave argument for once and talk like people that have sense? Let's strategize.
Shut up your mouth! Vincent, I say shut up! Look, you are like a stagnant water in my life. You are want to strategize. And what do you mean by strategizing? See, for your information, I have decided not to involve myself in any criminal activities of yours. You want to strategize? When God finally used evil Picolo to free my life. See, let me tell you, I have decided to stay on the path of legitimacy. I want to live my life legit.
Shut up your mouth! Who is talking about crime? Who is talking about crime? At least for once, use your head. Elumuno, use your head. DNA result has proven that Ifedima is Picolo's son. You and I know what that thing means. It means Ifedima is invariably on money. You and I are the ones that showed him the way. So let's tap into that wealth. That is what I am saying.
Shut up your mouth! Ewu, animal! You want to tap? This is how you will tap into jail. Ifedima's DNA, fine. Your zoo, have you forgotten where you came from? Can't you go back to the zoo and ask for your father's horse DNA? So that at least maybe you can tap from it and the DNA will prove it that yes, you are now responsible for the zoo. Probably you will inherit the zoo. After all, there's nothing in the zoo. I'm very sure that people eat once in a month. You want to tap from someone's glory. See, let me tell you, if Ifedima chooses to show me love, so be it. But if not, I will not go and trouble him any day. You want to tap. You are sounding as if you are a human being. Look, for your information, I don't want to see you anywhere close to my life. If not, what I go do you? You not go believe.
Elumuno, that money is a desideratum.
It's a desideratum. You see your life? I don't tell you saying that big people that don't make and they speak big English. You're so crazy. It's a desideratum. The desideratum now with decide where they almost decide kimi for Picolo place. If not be saying that decide God where if it decide I can't come up for there. What for the desideratum for you now? Which are the rise like who girls sir? It's a desideratum. Even if you die for you now, they cannot eat you because they know they use us. They do party food. So I wonder who one can chop your food.
Yeah, stop, shut your mouth.
If you touch me, go sweat I go do you. Wait till they walk yourself. Wait till they walk.
You know that you're a fool.
You they push me. See, if you don't to carry me, if you get me, put me for gram. Put me for gram, it's what I go to you. Put na me then. You know tell me say we go fight to gram. If I get up from here, you don't die.
Oloma, it's not like you told me the truth about yourself. You didn't tell me everything. You didn't tell me the fact that you were once a robber with your boyfriend and his friends. Yes, I knew. I didn't ask you because I value our friendship more than your past.
Please. My good friend, I am very sorry. Please. I was only scared. I am sorry for leaving you that way, please. Please.
I didn't tell you about Picolo being my man. Because I was protecting our friendship. I didn't want you to find out and then abandon me, which was exactly what you did.
Please, Clara, please. Please, just give me a second chance. Give us a second chance. And I promise to come out clean. Please. I promise not to hide anything from you again. Please. I'm sorry, Clara.
It's okay. I mean, look at you. See the way you're begging me as if I'm your boyfriend. If someone comes in here now, they will think something else is happening. Come here.
Thank you.
It's okay.
Thank you.
Henceforth, we'll all tell ourselves the truth. No secrets.
No secret.
Oh God, you're so funny. Hey, I've been meaning to ask you. How is it feeling, ma? What? What? Can't I ask of somebody? Is he not my friend? What?
Anyway, he's fine.
He's scared.
But
what?
I don't really know what you give that guy. What you give that guy?
What do you mean?
Morning, Clara. Afternoon, Clara. Night, Clara.
No, you're joking.
The guy they vomit your name like say in the porch.
Please wait now. Are you serious?
Yes, nah. How you won't tell me waiting too often I do if I'm not serious?
Hold on a minute. Me and who?
He fed him up.
Please, auntie. I beg. I like him. That's it. We just like each other. See the way I asked of him and he's asking of me. That's it though. Don't end there. Babe, stop now. Nothing can happen between us. Besides, I heard he has a girlfriend in his village.
Which one? Make that thing. Which girl? Immediately the young man come out for village, now him girl begin carry men. If you no carry John, you go carry Okafor, you go carry Okonkwo. Him mama don talk and say, in this life, even in life to come, say he no go ever see his son dey with that girl. She don stamp her and me, I support her. Yes, so.
Kai, but that's not good now. Anyway, good riddance to bad rubbish.
Mames.
It's good news.
Good news.
Good news. At least you will find somebody better and good.
Wetin dey talk?
Wetin you dey assume? Babes, abeg.
No.
Like I said, nothing can happen between us. His father has had the best of me. What were you expecting to happen?
Why you dey do like this now? Why you just dey drag clock back? Why you dey drag clock back? I just say by now you don't forget about that one. Forget about it. And move on. Forward, focus.
Hello, my so easy for you to say, oh. My dear, matters like this cannot be forgotten. Yes. See, it is bad for a father and his son to have the same woman. I'm sure in some culture it's a taboo. Babes, reason am now. It don't make sense. It does not. I've made mistakes in my life. I have. Ones that I regret so much. But you see this particular one, I don't have any regret at all. I am happy that through my mistake, someone like Picolo is in jail. And the joy of a frustrated woman is being restored. So that's it. It's okay.
You know, you are right. Even if say we don't get anything from this, but the fact that Cable is at peace right now, that one nine they sweet me pass.
At peace. I am telling you, like you don't want to. Ooh, Picolo. Jesus, I was so scared when I was dating him. My sister, we move leave that talk.
Now Saturday.
Move leave that talk.
On my body.
Well, from everything you have said, it seemed you have been his lawyer for a very long time. And both of you have really come a long way.
Yes, of course. Dr. Jeremiah, I actually invited you here for business. And if you calm down, you will understand the business.
What business is that?
Well, Chief Picolo is dead.
I know. I gathered he ended his life himself.
Well, like the strong man that he was, He felt that taking his own life was better than facing litigations for his numerous crimes, especially crimes against humanity. So, it is what it is.
That is a very sad story. Barrister.
Yes.
What business did you call me here for?
Dr. Jeremiah, recall that Ifedima inherited Chief Picolo's estate on the strength of the DNA test you conducted. Remember?
He is his biological son. It is only right that he inherits his father's property.
Okay, doctor, let me remind you that I am not happy with you.
Why? What did I do?
What did you do? You promised my client that you were never going to involve law enforcement agents. But what did you do? You turned around and betrayed him.
I had no choice.
Really?
That young man was armed with a loaded gun.
That was because he is a criminal. Yes, he came with that gun all the way from Umuenu to the city. My client would have handled him differently. But you spoiled everything.
Well, it is too late for that.
Whatever.
What business did you really call me here for, Barrister?
All right, Dr. Jeremiah. The DNA test. All I need from you is to deny the result of that DNA test.
Excuse me.
Yes. Mark it null and void. It was an error. You know what will happen? That young man, Ifedima, will be sent back to Umuenu empty-handed. He will no longer be an heir to Chief Picolo's estate. You and I will share the estate. That's the business.
I will never do such a thing.
Think about it first.
I will not, Barrister. I oversaw the investigation of that DNA test myself. That boy is his biological son. Allow him enjoy his father's estate. I am not interested in your business.
Udife, stop now. What is the problem now? Why are you doing this? I am pregnant for you and you know you're responsible for it.
Pregnant?
Yes.
The thing is that you are the one who wanted this pregnancy, so deal with it.
Udife, what are you saying? Let me alone. Deal with that female. Deal
with it.
Udife, don't do this to me. Don't do this. They will laugh at me in this village now.
Oh, they will laugh at you. It's better they laugh at you.
Okudifo, we have to do something about this situation now. What are you saying?
You don't leave me now. Slap your collar now.
We can. Now.
Chimamanda.
My love, you're such a fool to call my son that. Did you even wait for him at all before you opened up to all of them? Mama, no, I didn't open up to all of them. He's the only person I opened for. He's the only one I opened for, not all of them. Open. You know the situation. I love him. I love your son so much.
Hold on. Remember you just told me that you were pregnant for me. And here you are telling her that you love her son. Huh?
Chimamanda, I'm disappointed in you. I just left you for a while and here you are pregnant for another man. Miss Opuna, if you must know, I've met my father and I inherited a fortune. As a matter of fact, I'm now a wealthy person.
Hey.
Mama, let's leave. Enjoy.
Just look at you. Shamelessly.
Impatience. Kanjia pota. Itulime. Hanyan Jos. Yabude.
Hey! Hey! Hey!
Hey!
Hey! Hey!
The eyes that sees tomorrow. I see tomorrow. I mean tomorrow. I see tomorrow. I see things with my eyes. I see even in the dark. I see things that don't make sense. Even I don't understand. Didn't ask for this, was a gift given to me. No, it's hard to believe, but I know what my eyes to see. A gift drawn from the shadows. The dream drawn from tomorrow. Didn't choose the life I live. Don't make the dreams I see. I have a gift, the eyes that sees tomorrow. I see tomorrow. I mean tomorrow. I see tomorrow. I see things with my eyes. I see even in the dark. I see things that don't make sense. Even I don't understand. Didn't ask for this, was a gift given to me. No, it's hard to believe, but I know what my eyes to see. A gift drawn from the shadows. The dream drawn from tomorrow.